Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chauncey with Discipline Over Everything, and today I'm going to be going over a trade I took on the S&P futures on Tuesday, January 4th. So this is my first day trading in this year. I didn't trade yesterday, which is Monday, because I was waiting on my UPROFIT live account login, which I received today, so that's why I ended up trading today. I honestly received my login at almost a perfect time because there was just a great short setup on ES, and I was already watching it on Thinkorswim, but once I got my new credentials for NinjaTrader, I just had to put those in and I entered my trades. So in this trade, I'm getting short around the open, which is at 47.8525, which I had originally got short above around 47.90, but I was actually trading micros and I didn't even record those anyway. On my first two trades on the micros, I profited like $32, which I think was probably 3.5 points, something around that range. So once I realized I was trading micros, I kind of just waited for a small bounce, and so I saw one around the open, and I love to take open trades depending on which way we're trending and where the strength is. So when I say I'm trading the open, I basically just mean I'm trading where the opening price is for that day. So in this case, it was at 47.85.25, and I was trading the downside break of it. So today we saw a strong bounce at the open, and then around 10:30 we saw some pretty strong weakness. So once we got around the open, I kind of just, from just interpreting the trade and the levels on all of my charts, I kind of just figured we were going to keep dumping, so I went short and I just waited patiently. So it starts consolidating around the opening price, and that kind of just shows that the buyers and sellers are fighting to try to see if they want to take it red on the day or if the buyers want to keep it green. So like I stated in my last video, on another screen I'm watching basically the overall market. So I'm looking at the NASDAQ, the VIX, the Dow, the Russell, market breadth, and just a couple of stocks, the main holdings of the S&P. So what I saw was the NASDAQ dropping really hard. That's mainly because the 10-year Treasury yields were going up pretty much all day, and then we saw the VIX making a new high on the day. So all that kind of just adds up to some downside for the S&P. So I was just waiting patiently, and then we continued to see it. So as you can see in the video, I have my stop loss and profit target already on the screen once I enter my trades. So I like to start off with about 3.5 points to 4 points as a stop loss depending on how much volatility there is, and then I have my profit target to about 5 points once I enter my trade. And once I secure about 3.5 points of profit, my stop loss automatically goes to 1 point above my original entry so that I can secure 1 point of profit. So sometimes you'll see me move my stop loss once it goes into profit back to the original spot it was in, because I might think that it has more room to pull back. So I don't want to get stopped out too early. I want to catch, majority of the move. But majority of the time, it kind of just depends on the setup and what it's looking like. So I continue to move down my stop loss and my profit target to just keep trying to get as much profit as I can while being safe and maintaining my risk, but also being able to catch the bigger move and looking at the higher time frames. So I ended up getting about 6.5 points on this trade, which came out to be $645 total profit on the day. I also traded those two micros, like I said, which was only about $30 profit. So I got around 610 to 615 on just this trade alone with two contracts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing you guys a lot of content this year. Like I said, I just got live funded too with UPROFIT traders, so I will leave the link to them in the description. I would definitely check it out. They have a quick and easy evaluation if you are a futures trader and want to be funded. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and also feel free to leave a comment about any questions you have regarding futures, stocks, options, crypto, anything of that nature. I kind of do it all. And if you're interested in joining a free Discord, click the link in the bio. And also check out my Instagram at DisciplineOverEverything and Twitter at doe_trading. Kind of post more on Instagram, so I recommend checking that out. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Hope you guys enjoy it.